the search feature of GPT is finally launched, and a lot of people also call this Search GPT. I have received this email which is telling that ChatGPT search is released and I have got the access for this. Now let's first access this, and for that I have to click on this link. Now here we can see this globe icon, which means the search feature of GPT is enabled, and here we can type any prompt. So if we click over here, then it shows a couple of trending topics by default. So let's select this one. So we have got the information about Bob Costas. So I think he is American sports commentator. So the information which we got here, which was pretty fast. And if you notice, it gives the answer in the same format that ChatGPT always replies. And below this paragraph, we have this Wikipedia. So it is telling what are the sources for this particular paragraph. So here we have this AP News. So these are the references for this information. So let's say if I click over this, it will open a new tab and the corresponding article will get open. So like this, we can open the link and we can read more about that particular topic. Now if I scroll down a little bit, then these are the sources which it has used to provide the information. And here if I click over sources, then also we have two sections. The first one is the citations. So from the Wikipedia and the AP News, it gave us the answer. And below this, the second part is the search results, which is the actual search results to our prompt, which contains multiple links similar to what Google does. And we can click on any one of the link, which will get opened in the new tab. And here we can read more information about that. Now let's try some other things. So let's check out the weather. So let's type in weather in New Delhi. Let's hit enter. So we have got the information quite fast, and it gives weather for 7 days in nice tabular format. So again the source is also present at the last, which is this AP News, and from here also we can access the sources. So it gave the answer like as of this particular time in New Delhi the weather is clear with a temperature of this much, and it has given the weather for today, Saturday, Sunday. So for 7 days it has given us. Now let's try searching the restaurants. So let's search for restaurants in Mumbai. So let's type in find me the best veg restaurant in Mumbai. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, so I think the response is completed, but it couldn't load the information about the restaurants, and it couldn't pull the map here. So I'll try this particular prompt after a little while, but for now it is not working as I expected. Now let's try one more prompt here. So let's try to get the stock price. So let's type in stock price for Apple stock. Let's submit. So we have got a nice chart here similar to what we usually get on Google. So which is quite good. This is pretty impressive here. And in the beginning we have got some information around the stock price. Then we have at last we have the sources also. So from here we can click on anyone and we can read more information about that. So I guess it was using the GPT-4o underneath to serve this search functionality, but I have hit the free plan limit for GPT-4o because I am not using the ChatGPT Plus membership plan here, and I had got this access of Search GPT because I had signed up for the waiting list for the Search GPT. That's why, in spite of the free user, I got the access for Search GPT. Otherwise, the access is currently available for the ChatGPT Plus members and the team members. But anyway, let's try one more prompt even after I have hit the free plan limit here. So let's try asking one more thing. So let's say I'm asking tell me about search option in ChatGPT. So let's say what it gives us. So it gave the information. OpenAI has introduced a new search feature within ChatGPT. So it is giving quite correct answer here, and it is giving the answer in very detailed manner. Also, we have got the sources, which is again pretty good. Now, if we compare this Search GPT with current search capability of Google, so Google can't keep the context of previous conversations, but in case of Search GPT, it will use the context, the prior context to answer our query. So follow-up questions are not possible with Google search engine, but for Search GPT, it is very much possible. So we can say through Search GPT, we can have literally a real-time conversation with the internet. So I can see this Search GPT as the real AI assistant here. Now let me know in comments which one do you think is more useful, the Google search engine or the Search GPT. And do subscribe the channel for similar content on latest technologies.